Back again to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be covering how to minimize all windows on your Mac. Maybe you've got some things open on your Mac that only you want to see, and somebody walks past you and you don't want them to see what you're doing. Well, or what's on your screen. There's a couple of ways in which you can do this. There's a way to set it up so it's permanent. And there is also a keyboard command or keyboard sequence in which you can do it as well. I'll put the description for it in the link below. So, for example, the keyboard sequence is Option Command M and H. So you can't see my hands because this is a screen recording, but I'm going to do Option Command M and H, and it minimizes everything. I'll just go back down to here and bring everything back up again to where I was. And you did that. You saw how I did that. The other way to do it is to make it a little bit more permanent. And to make it a bit more permanent, all you need to do is click on the Apple icon and come down to System Preferences if you're running any Mac up to version 12, or if you're running Ventura or onwards, it says System Settings. Same thing, different word. Click on that. And then you want to go to the icon that says Mission Control. You may have a Mission Control shortcut on your keyboard, but we click on Mission Control. And in Mission Control, we can set up here a shortcut or a one key shortcut for Show Desktop, which just puts everything else down and shows the desktop, and it toggles it. So for example, you can click on this and you can choose a key which is useful to you. So you could have, for example, I don't use my right option button very much. So I could click on my right option button, which is there. And then once that's done, all I have to do, again, you can't see what I'm doing with my fingers, but I'm just going to press my option button and it all gets like that. Or I press the option button again and it all comes back. So that's how you can quickly get rid of everything off your screen if you want to, if you've got something private that you don't want somebody else to see. I quite like that, so I'm going to leave that open. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this another short video for in the Mac for Dummies series. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to like the video, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. That way you'll get to find out about other videos as I post them, and there are going to be many. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.